I know what you want. She won't fuck with me cause baby don't want one. It's a cold but you is a bright one. That I see like cause baby you the right one. Dancer, she got me moving like she's Spanish. Yeah, I'll be a fine, no stressing, count blessings.
Hi guys, it's T. What's good? What's poppin'? What's good? What's poppin'? No, I'm joking. Today I'm going to show you how I customize this Aliexpress wig. I'm grateful that it's curly hair, so there's not much that I actually need to do to it. I will be plucking wherever needs to be plucked, as you can see. I'm going to cut the lace off, and I don't like to use glue. I'm going to show you guys how I can customize this glueless, because I don't like to use glue. I'm the type of girl, when I come in, I like to pop my bra off, pop my wig off, and if I end up doing that, I'm going to snatch away all my edges, so I don't ever bother with the whole glue life. But I'll show you what I do, because I add a band, and I'll show you how I'm going to add it, how I measure it, etc, etc. There is going to be a lot of this video that's just going to be speeded up. I'm trying not to be talking the whole way through it neither. So yeah, let's just see what we can do. I don't even know if this is the right way around, by the way, guys. I don't know where's the front, where's the back, where's the side, because right now I can't see no edges. Hell, I'm gonna have to do a whole load of things to this myself. But yeah, let's jump right into it. I think I found the front of the wig. I'm assuming this is it, and so as you can see, it's gonna need a bit of plucking and stuff, and I don't even know where the parting is. But yeah, anyway, just gonna show you guys how I fit my band. I use this do-it-yourself DIY wig band thing from, I got it from PAX. You can probably get it from any cosmetic or drugstore. This one specifically came from PAX. So what I normally do is I take a reasonable piece. I just snip it. I don't know why, but I measure it last. So what I do is I take it to the back of my head and fit it from ear to ear. And as you can see, well, no, you can't see, but I'm gonna try and let you see. It comes to about here on this side and to here. So that's about right, really, but you want it to be kind of tight so it can wig onto your head. I'll probably even still take off a little bit more because I like it tight. So I'm going for that. Oh, that much more off. And here is my band. Yeah, that probably feels a bit better. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to sew it in. I will show you me like sewing it in, and then I'll just speed it up. I'm not going to show you every part of this process because it's long, to be honest. Well, it's not long, but I just, yeah, I ain't showing you all, okay? I'm just showing you what you need to do. You get the gist, you know how to stitch, and yeah, here we go. Okay guys, so I am going to take the band here, which is like behind the ear, and onto the other side the same thing. Obviously I'm trying to hold the camera and hold it at the same time, so it's not going to happen. But I will show you what I do. This is the one part I don't want you to follow me by, is because like you do need to use hair, a proper needle and a proper thicker piece of thread. Don't copy me, I'm just using normal standard bog standard needle and thread at the moment. So I'm just going to show you quickly. I hope this makes a little bit of sense to you. So I'm going to run it. It kind of follows along the line of this. So you stitch from, I'm going to do it a bit higher than that though, because that's the back. So about here, and roughly the same side on the other side. But yeah. Okay guys, so this is how it looks with the band attached. As I was saying, you just sew the sides down and stitch it in, stitch it on. It's not the neatest stitching. Why? Because I was rushing. Why, you may ask, was I rushing? Because I'm hungry, and that's just what it is. So this is it. But as long as it's stitched properly, you can see on here I've left the edges. I left these edges because what I do at the end, I leave, it was a bit longer than that. I kind of just tie it knot, tie it knot, tie it knot, and I'm going to trim it in a second. But I just wanted to show you guys. So yeah, I will be back with the next few steps. Hey guys, I fitted the band in. Oh god, I think I got food on my mouth because I had to go and have like a bite of food. I was starving. And now what I will do is just cut the net off just so I can get a little visual of how I want it to be. This is a 360, so I kind of got to like pull my hairs out of it to know. But the next thing is make sure you pull your hair as forward as you can. And that's what I'm doing. I've got to be honest, I don't cut all the net off anyway because I'm a scaredy cat. I'll cut it off at the end once I'm done styling, but I start off by going straight up the middle, and then I will just cut along the hairline. But yeah guys, ideally you will just be following along the line of the hair when cutting the net, all the way down to your ear bit, and then you want to slit for your ear. Actually, I might just do the slit bit so you guys can see. Ooh, so I slit for the ear. My hair's not that low, I'm lying. I was just scared again to slit it properly, but yeah. This is kind of the look that I'm going to go for with you guys. The next step will be to get a water bottle and just damp the hair entirely. And then that's when we will pluck. Pluck, 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 pluck. And by the way, guys, I don't know how I'm going to go for this because I love center partings, and this piece of thing don't have no partings, so one will be probably creating her own part at some point. In fact, I'm gonna do it now, but I'm not gonna keep it like that because I think if I have a part, it makes it kind of easier to do the whole pluck, 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 pluck stage. This hair is nice and soft, by the way, guys. No tangle. I hate wet hair. This is why I don't really like curly hair in particular, because you've got to keep it kind of wet. And I'm not a fan of wet hair. Look at me trying to put it behind my ear, but the net said no. Never mind. Put it behind my ear, should I say? Okay, so when I pluck my hair, I do it in 3 sections. So I do the side, the centre, and the side. And I will just show you, I go to about roughly here. I'm not a professional, so some people might be like, why are you going that far in? And I'll be like, I don't know, it's just what I do. And then I'll just show you briefly what I do. And it is going to be briefly that I'm showing you guys because I can't do things like this. So anyway, you get the gist anyway. So I just pluck, 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 pluck. And I'll just continue that motion, and you would see hair gathers up on the tweezer. And then I will go forward a bit more with another chunk, and I would also continue to do the whole pluck, 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 all the way down. The only time when I do it in more of like concentrate areas when I get to like the line before, what I would say the line before my main hairline, because then I will start doing it in like bits where I would want to have more hair, less hair, etc, etc. But I'm gonna go and get that done, and I'll come back and kind of show you lot. So now this is what it looks like at the moment. I could just not really plucked, but kind of plucked. I'm not gonna go too ham with it as well because they start to go at the front first, so I'm not gonna go too ham with it. But yeah, I'll be back. Okay guys, I've got to be honest, I got totally sidetracked and I am rushing through. I didn't get to pluck the hair properly, but I can always go back and do that at another time. So what I started to do was I just trimmed a little bit of baby hairs here, and I'm just gonna go quickly style this out for you guys and just get a finishing look. I want to get this video finished today, and the thing is, because I got sidetracked, I'm running the risk of losing natural lighting, and I need it right now because I don't have, sorry, I don't have my studio light in here. C's got them, so you know, we gotta get this show on the road. I will actually be cutting these baby hairs down, but I never always cut them short to begin with because I like to see what I've got to play with. But I would always go in later and cut them shorter. Literally, I'm doing a rush job, guys, because I'm literally trying not to lose this natural light, and I've got other stuff to finish up. So yeah, I'm rushing, but as you can see, I'm just damping down this hair. Actually, you want to have it kind of drenched, if I'm honest. Like I said, I hate wet hair, but I'm gonna do what I gotta do for now. OMG. Ah! Just got a towel on, got wet neck, I hate it. Literally annoyed to be having wet hair. But yeah, oh, I do like this hair though, I'm not going to lie. I will, if you want to know the vendor, I will share the vendor. Y'all gonna leave a message to let me know. No messages asking for the vendor. I won't be giving away my little vendors. Oh. Did it. I probably would have had it a bit wetter, but I'm going to be doing something in a hot minute, which means I don't want to have my hair dripping. So yeah, I use the Fantasia Icy hair polisher styling foam. The Cream of Nature one's also good. I use that as well. I prefer the Cream of Nature, if I'm honest, because this one kind of gives you more of a how do you call it? It feels crunchy, where Cream of Nature leaves the hair still feels soft. But yeah, this this does the job as well. It holds the curls nice and beautiful. Yeah, look at this rush job. I've got even my edges are hanging out, but ignore all that. With this wig, you will need to bleach the knots, because if you look closer, you can see I didn't bleach the knots because we are in quarantine and I have no bleach here. But I do have a hack. So what I do is I turn the wig inside out and I use my foundation, and that works just as good for me. I do what I can do. I can't believe I've done this whole hair thing without like no music. Oh. Body, please. Crimp, crimp, crimp. I can still see some part of this hair is a bit dry because I didn't wet it. Oh. Guys, it wouldn't be me if I wasn't clumsy. Some of you may be looking at my lashes and saying, I'm sure her lashes hanging off. And you will be right. Because if you've watched my other video, when I was applying them, it's the first time I've ever applied them. Now when this dries, it will have a nice voluptuous look and curl to it. Right now the wet look is what we're rocking. It's not too bad, to be fair. I really wouldn't watch this baby hair quick malarkey that I've just done. Quick, quick, quick. But guys, this is kind of the look. And like I said, no glue, it's just got the band on real tight. What you can do though, if you're not feeling secure with having it just like that, you can obviously add your glue and whatever you like to it. But I don't like it. So yeah, let's see. Well, but yes, ooh, I do like this hair. I'm gonna have to give a review now. But yes, hunty, this is it. I keep trying to do this because it looks flat right now, but I always got to bear in mind when curly hair dries, it will give it a natural bit of a poof, so it will be higher. And yeah, so for now we're gonna leave the flat look. Oh, whatever. But thank you for joining me, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you'll be customizing some of your own Aliexpress hair wigs. Why not? It's quick, it's cheap, and yeah, you can get a nice look. Hope you enjoyed. Oh, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and hit the notification button so you can stay tuned for more content from me and C. Bye.
Sawdust was good.